Before we continue, I want to highlight something truly impressive. You'll find the link in the description, and it's absolutely worth taking a moment to explore. This product has been getting a lot of buzz, and after testing it thoroughly, I can say it lives up to every bit of hype. The performance is exceptionally smooth, the design is refined and sturdy, and the overall usability is outstanding. Everything feels effortless and intuitive. What sets it apart is how consistently it exceeds expectations. It doesn't just look good, it performs even better. If you're looking for something reliable, well-designed, and genuinely worth the attention it's getting, hit the link below. You'll understand exactly why so many people are choosing it.